Okay, I don't know anymore. Hey guys, the Real Shark Bait here. You might hear some sound in the background. Sorry about that. But we're doing a drone video again. But it's so bad quality. Yeah, and it's always bad quality. It's so laggy. So sorry about that. We're gonna have some in here in my house right over here. And oh yeah, guys, this is my It Is Here balloon if you want to see behind the scene. It's right there. It's right there. It's the big one with the big string. Yeah, so we're just going to be doing it today. And yeah, we're going to be flying my drone. And I'm just going to be flying it around. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll see you once we're there. My mom wants to vacuum right now. But my cat's scared of my drone. And he's outside right now. He's right there. So I'm going to charge at him. His reaction is priceless. Oh, whoops. I'm so sorry. But he's hilarious. Oh no. Sometimes my drone gets weird because it scratches. It's a weird drone. Sometimes it gets stuck, so it's okay though. So sorry about the background of the vacuum. Okay, watch. Here, guys, I'm gonna bring my cat inside, okay? You're just gonna be paranoid. Okay, I'll be back once my cat's inside, okay? So I'm just gonna leave you on, so just watch. Okay, so my cat ran away, so I don't really know where he is, but that doesn't matter to me because he comes back a lot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna fly it at my mom, and she gets really scared. Whoa, I almost just flew you guys in the blanket. I'm not a good drone flyer. Whoa, guys, that was it. You guys just hit me in my feet. Oh, nope, it's lagging. Oh, no, I am so sorry. Oh, gosh, that's some bad lag. Can I just finish this? Guys, we have some really bad lag right now. Wow, hold on, this is scary. This is very scary. Okay, guys, I think I fixed the lag, so let's just keep flying. Oh, sorry about there are some lag spikes. Whoa. Okay, that just went really high really quick. Oh no, it's drifting off into the distance. Whoa, guys! Whoa. Guys. Sorry. Whoa. I'm so sorry. Oh, whoopsies. Something just happened on my screen. I'm sorry. I'm like a terrible game player. Come down. Okay, now you can go back up, and now you can go out to my face. Whoa, guys, that was so close. Want to know what one of my favorite things to do is? You just stand underneath my dog. Whoa, that almost just landed on my face. Rather than that. Oh, no, wait, oh, no, come back. I'll come back. Sorry about that, guys. I just got really scared because I almost just chopped my finger off. Or you have to now. Memorable wall. Was that a memorable wall? Was that also a memorable wall? There's my sister, guys. She doesn't give a crap about John anymore. She used to be so scared of it. Okay. Whoa, guys, that was so close. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm going to spectate my sister, and we will follow her around wherever she goes. Okay, my drone's gonna die. Bye. So my drone was about to die, so I have to charge this. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. So bye. Stay me. Just kidding. Whoa, I just fell. Okay, bye.